Hi, this is Eric from Endorphin Advisors. I want to tell you about the Marketing Toolbox made just for insurance agents and brokers. Marketing can be a real challenge, especially when we're trying to do it on the web. There's all these different tools and platforms. So what we've done is we've taken a whole range of tools and platforms and we've put them all together and integrated them for you. And we've called this the Marketing Toolbox. And if you're like most agents and brokers, we know you're busy serving your clients. You don't want to spend time on marketing or on technology or on figuring out what's working today in online communications and marketing. You want to be with your customers or working to find new ones. So we built this toolkit just for you. The toolkit has a whole range of products that we've taken and that we put together that work just for you, and we've integrated them and we custom designed them so that they look and feel and match your brand and your website. Okay. We also have the performance tools that are built in already so that you can see what's actually working. So let me show you a sample. This is a sample insurance agency. This is their website, Shank & Falvey, and we'll show you what the tools look like based on this agency. Okay. So the first tool is an email newsletter, and we know that email is a very good tool to keep in touch with our customers as well as with our prospects. And we also have learned that there is a 4,300% ROI on email marketing. And that is because it's very inexpensive and it works. So here's what an email newsletter would look like for this firm. It's all branded, clearly matches their website and their brand. Okay, so we give you that tool. Then there is a social campaign tool that makes you doing campaigns on Facebook very easy. Okay, we want to focus on the downloadable content, which helps us be providing good information related to insurance for our customers and to build our audience on Facebook. This is what it looks like. Again, very easy to use. Here we've designed a sample ebook based on a guide to valuable items insurance. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Again, very easy to use, and we set all this up for you. You may want to do some events, and today people expect to find your events online and they expect to register online. So whether it's a social event, a fundraiser, or a community event of some sort, maybe it's a training thing or some sort of marketing event, something like that, whatever it is, your tools are already built and ready to go. You can collect all the information online. It's all automatic. Customer feedback surveys. Again, online surveys that we use to measure customer satisfaction, find out how we're doing. We might even use these to canvass our market, whether it's a geographic market or type of business, line of business that we are involved in, to then turn around and talk about how what we know about this particular industry. Okay, so what we do is we give you a set of 15 standard questions already branded to you. They're very easy to change the questions if you'd like. You can delete some, use others, but we set this up for you. So all you have to do is customize it a little bit and then send it out and use this. The results are all tabulated online, very easy in real time. Now, social media is a way that is a very important method of communication these days, especially for the younger set, the millennial generation, and really anybody below 40 years old. This is how they communicate. And so we want to be able to communicate on social media quickly, easily, and in very time efficient manner. So we've set up a system to do that. We use a social media dashboard, which we set up for you. You can have all sorts of different accounts and manage them all from one place. And we provide training to help you or your staff do that, or we can do this for you. Now we get into quickly some of the more advanced tools, and here we're talking about automated emails, we're talking about curating content, and some analytics tools. So we want to get in the practice of using a content calendar, because we're going to be posting a lot of information via email and social media about maybe events, maybe articles, news, that type of stuff. So there's a sample template that we give to you as a sample schedule or content calendar. We also give you a autoresponder series, a 6-part autoresponder series, and we use this specifically for keeping in touch with sales prospects. Okay, you can also have one to stay in touch with customers, but we want to stay in touch with prospects over a period of time in a very quick and efficient manner. So this is kind of referred to as drip marketing. So we set this all up for you, and they'll go out a 6-part series over perhaps a year's time, and you don't have to do anything. So this might be what they would look like in terms of the 6 different emails, in terms of the topic, what they're going to do. And this is kind of a description, you see kind of what it works, a series of these emails that go over time. Performance analytics, we want to measure how we're doing and how our emails are doing, how our social media is doing, the traffic on our website, because that's what we know when we can learn what's working and what's not. So we measure everything, we show you how to do that. One tool we use is we set up Google Analytics, set it up on your website for you. We program it, we create the report with the most useful metrics, and we have that sent to you on a monthly basis so you can have a look at it, and then we review it with you in detail at regular intervals of time so that we can see what's working. Okay, this is what the report looks like, and you get this via email automatically. Content curation, here we have an easy way for you to find good content and articles that you can share on social media. For example, here's what this dashboard looks like. It's very easy to use, and we can find things like news about events that are happening, news about insurance topics that we might want to share, or things that are interesting to our particular audience. We find those using this very easy to use tool, and then we can create, curate and then share this content out. So we again set this all up for you and provide some training. It's very easy to use. So that's the toolkit. It's a bunch of tools that work very well together today to help you with your marketing and communications online, and we can build all the tools, brand them to your brand, your company, and then put them into action, and then you can manage it all, or we can manage it for you. If you have any questions, please visit us online or give us a call. Thank you very much.